Greetings from Mehta Childcare, friends. Today we are talking about diarrhea in children. Diarrhea is one of the most common illnesses that troubles children. Most cases of diarrhea are mild and recover on their own, but sometimes diarrhea can be serious. What causes diarrhea in children? Most cases are infectious and caused by viruses like the rotavirus, but sometimes bacteria and parasites can also cause diarrhea in children. Children who are fed with improperly sterilized bottles often have bacterial diarrhea. Rarer causes are malabsorption, poor digestion, lot of sugar in the food and drink, some allergies and some drugs. The child with diarrhea has a lot of liquid or absolutely watery stools, sometimes with a lot of gas. Fever and vomiting are often present. The chief danger in diarrhea is dehydration. The child is losing a lot of water, sodium, potassium, chlorides and nutrients along with the watery diarrhea. This dehydration can sometimes be serious enough to cause a failure of the circulation, shock, kidney failure and even death. Dehydration is classified as some dehydration or mild dehydration and severe dehydration. The child with mild dehydration is irritable, does not sleep, is very thirsty and passes small amounts of urine. On the other hand, the child with severe dehydration is excessively sleepy, dull, not willing to eat and drink. The older child may find it difficult to stand, may be dizzy, unable to walk. There is a dry mouth and tongue. These are danger signs and should lead to a quick evaluation in an emergency situation. Treatment. How do we treat a child with diarrhea? First, food and drink. What do we give a child with diarrhea? Everything. There are no food restrictions in diarrhea. Feeding the child will not increase the diarrhea. Starving the child will not cure the diarrhea. The child with diarrhea has poor digestion and needs more, not less food. Give the child whatever he is used to eating. Give the child what he wants to eat, but encourage him to have more of it. The important part of diarrhea treatment at home is oral liquids. The chief danger is dehydration. The chief treatment is oral liquids. Give the child a lot of liquids. Plain water, coconut water, buttermilk, fresh lime, all these are good. Add a little salt to everything if you can. Sugary drinks should be avoided because they increase diarrhea. If a child is vomiting, give small amounts frequently and watch the urine output. Oral rehydration solution ORS has been described as the most important medical advance of the 20th century, mainly because of the sheer number of lives saved by this intervention. ORS does not just cure dehydration, it is very good at prevention also. A young child should be given a cup of ORS after every meal, every motion. An older child should be given a glass full of it. Most diarrhea recovers in 2 to 3 days. If you can maintain the nutrition and hydration of the child for these 2 initial days, usually diarrhea will reduce in severity and the child will normally return to normal. The appetite will come back and the weight that has been lost will be gained again. What about drugs? Most diarrhea is self-limiting and recovers on its own in 2 or 3 days. Drugs are rarely required. Antibiotics should only be given if the child has blood in the stools or the child has been traveling and the stool exam shows evidence of bacterial infection. Drugs that paralyze the gut like loperamide are dangerous and should never be given. When should you go to your doctor? If the diarrhea lasts more than a few days, if there is blood in the stool or the stools are black in color, if the child is vomiting frequently and unable to retain any food and drink, if the child is less than 6 months old, and of course if there are any of the danger signs of dehydration, you must go to your doctor immediately. So, the bottom line, most cases of diarrhea recover on their own and do not need any drugs. Nutrition and hydration are the chief components of treatment. Do not count the motions. Watch for the hydration and the danger signs of dehydration. If any of the danger signs are seen, rush to the hospital immediately.